Right now, you are being ignored, and it happens every single time you say the word excited. Not because people don't care, but because your brain stopped responding to that word years ago. You said it about a promotion this week. You said it about a burrito. Same word, same flat reaction every time. 25 words are about to fix that, and by the end of this video, excited will be the one word you never reach for again. Guess what? I got the job. That's so exciting. Yeah? What's exciting about it? I don't know. It's just exciting. Right. The word that means nothing because it's used for everything. Let's fix that. First, here's what excited sounds like when it's small and nervous, bubbling just under the surface. A flutter is that nervous, fluttery kind of anticipation. Excited with a little bit of nerves mixed in. She was all a flutter waiting for the exam results. I can't stop checking my phone. You're totally a flutter waiting for that callback. From A, meaning in a state of, plus flutter, literally to be fluttering with nerves. Effervescent means bubbling over with enthusiasm, the kind of excited that spills out of you. His effervescent energy made the whole party more fun. You seem so happy today. Can't help it, I'm just effervescent when the sun's out. From Latin effervescer, to boil up, like bubbles rising in soda. A tingle is that tingling excitement right before something big happens. She felt a tingle with nervous excitement before walking on stage. Why do you keep shaking your hands? I'm a tingle, first day on the new job. Same A pattern as a flutter. In a tingling state. A quiver means trembling with anticipation, like your whole body knows something's about to happen. He stood a quiver with anticipation before the roller coaster dropped. Are you okay? I'm a quiver. This is my first time skydiving. Another A word, in a quivering state. Fizzing captures that bubbling over feeling perfectly, like the excitement is physically escaping. She was fizzing with excitement about the surprise trip. You're bouncing off the walls. I'm fizzing. We leave for the trip tomorrow. Fizzing is onomatopoeic. It sounds like what it describes, same family as buzz or hiss. How do you feel about tomorrow? A flutter. Honestly, I haven't slept. Same, I've been fizzing about it all week. My stomach's a quiver just thinking about the flight. I'm effervescent, honestly. Bring it on. Somebody's a tingle. Now, if bubbling over isn't enough, here's what it sounds like when excited goes all the way. Full rapture. Rhapsodic means extravagantly enthusiastic when you literally can't stop talking about something. He grew rhapsodic describing his trip to Japan. Okay, tell me about Japan already. I could go rhapsodic for hours about that trip. From Greek rhapsoidos, a reciter of epic poems, speaking with intense passion, enraptured means filled with intense delight. So excited you lose track of everything else. The audience was enraptured by the performance. Did you hear a word I said? Sorry, I was enraptured watching the fireworks. From rapture, which originally meant being carried off or seized, like an ecstatic trance. Elysian means blissfully, heavenly happy. Excitement so pure it feels like paradise. The Elysian feeling of finishing the marathon stayed with her for days. You seem lighter today. Elysian, honestly, I haven't felt this good in years. From Elysium, the paradise of Greek mythology reserved for the heroic and the blessed. Transported means carried away by strong emotion, like the excitement physically moved you somewhere else. She was transported with joy at the good news. You look like you're somewhere else. Sorry, I'm transported just thinking about the good news. An older sense of transport. Carried away emotionally, not physically. Incandescent captures excitement so strong it seems to glow off of you. He was incandescent with excitement after the acceptance letter arrived. Why are you smiling like that? I'm incandescent, I just got my acceptance letter. From Latin incandescere to glow white hot. How was the show? Transported, honestly, I forgot where I even was. The finale? Incandescent. And honestly, Elysian is the only word for the ending. Sounds enraptured. We were. I think I went full rhapsodic in the car afterward. Here's a category most people don't even realize exists. Words for excitement that come with real, physical energy attached. Fervid means feverishly, intensely excited, like the excitement has a temperature. Her fervid anticipation kept her up all night before the trip. You're still awake? I'm fervid, I can't sleep before the trip tomorrow. From Latin fervere, to boil or glow with heat. Same root as fervor. Galvanized means stirred into excited action, when excitement makes you actually move. The surprise announcement galvanized the entire office. Everyone just jumped out of their seats. That announcement really galvanized the office, named after Luigi Galvani, who found that electric current makes muscles twitch. Exultant is triumphant excitement, the kind you feel when you've actually won something. He was exultant after crossing the finish line first. You're grinning ear to ear. I'm exultant, I finished the race first. From Latin exultare, to leap up for joy. Vivified means suddenly filled with life and energy, like the excitement woke something up in you. The good news vivified her instantly. She was a different person in seconds. You look wide awake all of a sudden. I'm vivified, I just heard the results. From Latin vivificere, to make alive, vivus, alive, plus facere, to make. Vim means lively energy and enthusiasm, the raw physical buzz behind the old phrase vim and vigor. She tackled the whole project with vim, finishing 2 days early. You're moving fast today. All this vim, I just got great news, possibly linked to the Latin vis, meaning force or strength. Did you see the announcement? Yeah, the whole office got galvanized instantly. I'm still fervid about it, honestly. I feel completely vivified, like I could run a marathon. I've got so much vim right now I could run another one. Good. Somebody's exultant already. And here's a category most Americans have never even heard used correctly. The Brits have an entire vocabulary for excited that never really crossed the Atlantic. Chuffed means delighted and pleased, proud, excited about something that went your way. She was absolutely chuffed about the promotion. You look pleased with yourself. I'm chuffed, I just got promoted. In some British dialects, chuffed can also mean the opposite, displeased. Context is everything. Buzzing is the British way of saying excited, when a whole room shares the same energy. The whole team was buzzing after the win. The whole office is loud today. Everyone's buzzing after that win. Comes straight from the literal buzz of bees. Made up is Northern English for absolutely delighted, especially in Liverpool and Manchester. He was made up when his team won the league. How'd the interview go? Made up. Honestly, made up. An idiom, not from Latin this time, just a regional British phrase for pure delight. Cock-a-hoop means extremely pleased and triumphant, so excited you can't hide it. The whole team was cock-a-hoop after the deal closed. You're grinning like mad. Cock-a-hoop, honestly, we finally won the account. Origins are murky, possibly from setting a barrel's cock, or tap, up on a hoop to let the drink flow freely in celebration. Bowled over means so excited you're practically knocked off your feet by it. She was bowled over by the surprise party. You didn't say a word for a minute. I was bowled over. I had no idea. From cricket, literally being knocked down by a bowled ball. Used figuratively since the 1800s. How'd the interview go? Made up, mate. Absolutely made up. I'm chuffed for you. The whole team's buzzing about it already. Bowled over is more like it. Either way, I'm cock-a-hoop. One more thing before you go. Here are 5 words so rare. Most native English speakers have never actually used them, even though every one of them fits perfectly right now. A frisson is a sudden shiver of excitement, the physical jolt that arrives before you can even name the feeling. A frisson ran through the room the second the lights went down. Why'd you just shudder? Frisson. Honestly, I get that every time the music kicks in. Borrowed directly from French, where it simply means shiver or thrill. Frabjous means wonderful and joyous. A word invented specifically to sound as delighted as it means. What a frabjous morning, everything went right for once. You look thrilled. It's a frabjous day, I got the callback. Coined by Lewis Carroll in Jabberwocky. Likely a blend of fabulous and joyous. Perfervid means marked by excessive, almost overwhelming fervor. More intense than merely excited. His perfervid excitement about the trip was almost exhausting to be around. You've mentioned this trip 4 times today. I know, I'm perfervid, I can't help it. From Latin thoroughly plus fervidus, glowing hot. Fervid taken to its extreme. Yeasty means excitable and seething with restless energy like something about to bubble over. The room had a yeasty, anything could happen energy before the announcement. Everyone seems on edge. It's just yeasty in here, something big's about to drop. A figurative extension of yeast fermenting, literally rising and bubbling with activity. Élan means vigorous enthusiasm carried out with real style and flair, not just excited, but excited with panache. She walked into the interview with total élan and owned the room. How'd you pull that off so confidently? Élan, mostly. Fake it till it's real. French, from élan, say, to dart or rush forward. Are you coming tonight? Absolutely. I've had this yeasty, restless energy about it all week. I felt a total frisson just thinking about it. Honestly, it's been a frabjous week already. I'm perfervid about it, if I'm being honest. Then let's go. Pure élan. No hesitation. 25 words, and excited doesn't have to be one of them ever again. Save this video because you're going to need it. Follow WordSmith for more interesting words.